Oh, hey, you must be here to see the new studio. Come on in. Oh, but wait. First, run the intro. Welcome, lovers of food and life. My name's Jennifer, and this is the channel dedicated to all things food, travel and culture, mainly food. And I'm here to encourage you to taste and see the world. Okay, so some time ago, I may have promised you weekly videos, or maybe even monthly videos. So I'm here to apologise and to let you know that the hiatus was all for a good reason. And that is because I've moved into a brand new kitchen studio space. I'm so excited. It's been a labour of love, hence the time away. But I am just so looking forward to bringing you all the videos that I've had planned, and it's going to be great. Thank you so much for your patience, and yeah, let's just get this thing going. So until next time, merci, Imela, Asante sana. Bye. Merci, Imela, Asante sana. Bye. Okay, time to go. Let's go. Come on. See you later.